Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you disable end-to-end encryption into WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your WhatsApp application. Firstly, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application, and after opening the application, go to Setting by tapping this three dot into the top right corner. Step 2. Open the chat setting. Now after coming to settings, just simply click to this chats option here, and after going there, click to chat backup option. Step 3. Disable the end-to-end encryption. Now after coming to chat backup, just simply click to this end-to-end encrypted backup option, and after clicking there you can see this turn off option. Just simply click into that. After that, it will ask for the encryption key. Just simply paste your encryption key into here, and after that click to next option. Then at last, confirm that you are disabling the end-to-end encryption by clicking to this turn off button. Just simply click into that and click to done. Your encryption will be disabled. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.